Hello my dear friends, welcome back. For today's project we're going to use this gold Paracord 550 and this black one also 550. The full tutorial for this bracelet core, 4-strand bracelet core, you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box, where you can find the tutorial for this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today as well, so check the information cards and the description box down below. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Now we're gonna take our gold paracord with the feed and we're gonna pass it from the back. Let me just show you. So from the back through these two strands, through the gap between these two strands of cow's hitch. So pull it and pass it through, and then we're gonna split these two strands as well. So from the top through. Now we're gonna reattach to the jig, and then we're gonna take the ends of a gold cord and we're gonna pull them together so we'll have the equal length from each side, left and right. So now, when we created our core strands and working ends, we can start. We're gonna take our black strand and we're gonna pass it under these four core strands, and then we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side. So through like this. And now we're gonna do the same with the right side strand, so under the core strands, and then we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between these two strands on the left side, like so. Now we're gonna take our left side gold and we're gonna pass it under the core strands and return it again from the back through the gap between the first and the second core strand from the right side, like so. And now we're gonna pull it through the loop on the left side of a black strand, with the right side strand of a gold, also under the core strands, and then from the back through the gap on the left side, and then through the loop on the right. Now we're gonna tie it. So we're going to take our left strand black from the back through the gap on the right. Now with the right side black under, from the back through and to the left side. Now left side gold under, from the back through the gap, and then from the top through the loop. Now with the right side as well, from the back under, and return it from the back through the gap, and then from the top through the loop. As simple as that. So here we are. We reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!